Hi students, in this video lecture I am going to explain you about the loops used in Java. First of all, what is the meaning of loop? Loop means to repeat the instructions again and again till the condition is true. Generally, instructions executes from top to bottom like this. Suppose we have some instructions. Instruction 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It executes one by one. And suppose again we want to repeat from here. Second time, then third time, then fourth time, and so on. This is called the loop. There are three types of loops in Java: while loop, for loop, and do while loop. While loop, do while loop, and for loop. Try to understand the working of while loop. While I is less than equal to 5, system dot out dot print ln I. So here I have taken int I equal to 1. Condition is I is less than equal to 5 and this is the block. In this block we can write any number of instructions. I have written one instruction. For one instruction these brackets are not required, but better to use brackets. You can also write more than one instruction, then brackets are must. So try to understand what will the output of this program. I is 1, 1 is less than equal to 5, it will print 1. Second time 1 is less than equal to 5, it will print 1. Third time again 1, and so on, endlessly. Infinite times it will print 1. Now what I am going to do, I am writing here I plus plus. So after printing 1, second time it will become 2. 2 is less than equal to 5, it will print 2, then 3, next time 3, then 4, then 5. 5 is less than equal to 5, yes, it will print 5, it will become 6. When it will become 6, now 6 is not less than equal to 5, so loop will be terminated and control will come out of this block. Here, if you want to check the value of I out of the block, I am just writing to make you understand out of the block. If you want to check the value of I, so out of the block it will print 6. If the value of I is 10 in place of 1, suppose I is 10, not 1, then condition is false. So it will jump from here to here. Body of the loop will not execute. It will print directly out 10. So loop will not execute if the condition is false. This type of loop is called entry controlled loop. Now next loop is do while. Same program, start the loop with do and write the instruction and increase the value of I by 1 and put the condition here while I is less than equal to 5. Semicolon is must. Here semicolon is not required. Here semicolon is must. Afterwards, this statement which I am writing here, it is not compulsory, just to make you understand. You can also check the value of I after the loop. So in this case, I is 1. Body of the loop will start. It will print 1. It will make it 2. 2 is less than equal to 5. Repeat. Condition is true. So 2 will be printed. Again it will become 3. 3 is less than equal to 5, it will print 3, then 4, then 5. When it will print 5, it will become 6. 6 is less than equal to 5? No, condition is false. It will come out of the body of the loop. So out 6, same result you will get here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, out 6. Now in this case, if I take value of I is 10, in this case, instead of 1, if it is 10, then 10 will be printed. So entry in the loop is allowed. 10 will be printed, it will become 11. 11 is less than or equal to 5. No. So it will print out 11. So inside the loop 10 and out of the loop 11. So in this case, condition is false, but at least one time this loop will execute. This is called exit control loop. While loop was entry control, it is exit control loop. So this loop will execute at least one, even if the condition is false in the beginning. But this loop will not execute even if the condition is false in the beginning. This loop will not execute. This is the difference between while and do while. Now next loop is for loop. Int I for I equal to 1, I is less than or equal to 5, I plus plus. Print ln I, same thing I am writing again here, out of the loop. Here this is 1, don't get confused, this is 1. This is the body of the loop. Loop will start from 1 up to 5. This is the increment I plus plus. Here we have taken I equal to 1. This is here condition. Between these two semicolons you have to write the condition, and I plus plus, any statement you can write, and this is the body of the loop. Same result you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, out 10, out 6. How it works? I is 1, condition is true, body will execute now. It will print 1. Second time it will make it 2. Now 2 is less than or equal to 5. Yes. Again it will print 2. Next time it will make it 3. 3 is less than or equal to 5. 3. Same way 4. Same way 5. After printing 5, it will make it 6. 6 is not less than or equal to 5. It will come out of the loop. Out 6 will be printed. So these are the simplest forms of the loops for while, do while and for loop. That's all. Thank you.